Hello gamers, welcome to Mango City Heart Game. Today we're gonna unboxing. My friend gave me a gift on Foundation Day. I will just call her BF and my real name is Candice, not Mango. Okay, let's open it. Just wait. There guys, we open it. Now let's open. Wait, there's more Scotch tape. Oh, wait, let me see the first layer. Here, the first layer some bean cards. Since I like stickers that is corona, my friend gave me this. So let's open the package. Let's see what's in this. Just wait guys. First, 2 bean cards. And second, 2 beanie cards. And second, this mouse. And nothing. Oh, ice. It looks like a diamond, but I call it a ice. Because my friend said it's a ice. Because I opened it on my room last time. Next, here's the next layer. First, let's do some mini Legos, then it's box and another box and another one and 2 beanie papers that we can write. Sorry, I missed another Lego. And the Pokemon. This is where we have. Let me show you. This is all we have. 2 beanie papers, 7 pokes, so many tiny Legos, and 1 Pokemon. And in this package, some Kurami stickers with beanie cards and a mouse with a ice. That's all we have. I'm gonna put it back. Okay. First we just fix this. There. And put the Lego. So the next day I can use it for just opening. Let me just put all things there. There. We put it. So I put it back in the same where I open it. So after I open it, so I put it back in the same place, and I'm gonna put it on my room. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, the gift, because my best friend gave me. Bye guys.